What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of cannot operate without phone on your HryFine smartwatch even after it is connected to the HryFine smartwatch app on your phone. Now as you can see over here, mine is currently connected to my HryFine smartwatch, but I'm still getting the problem of cannot operate without phone. And if you actually check through Bluetooth, I have also made sure I connected both devices through Bluetooth. So if you come over to the Bluetooth, you can literally see the Watch 9, which is actually the name of my HryFine smartwatch over here, but I'm still getting the problem of cannot operate without phone. Now the reason for this particular problem is the fact that most of these smartwatches actually have two Bluetooths. Aside from actually connecting the smartwatch to your phone using the smartwatch app, you actually have to make sure you connect the smartwatch to the two Bluetooth names that the smartwatch actually has. Now there are basically two ways to solve this particular problem, but first and foremost you have to make sure that you have connected your HryFine smartwatch via the HryFine smartwatch app. So make sure that it is actually showing connected over here, and then the next thing you want to do is to go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on and you have actually connected both devices through Bluetooth. As you can see, mine is actually connected. It is actually the Watch 9, but I'm still getting the problem. Now what you want to do is to make sure that you search for Bluetooth devices again. You can go ahead and turn off your Bluetooth and then just turn it on again. Make sure you actually connect to your HryFine smartwatch, and then also allow your Bluetooth to actually search for the second Bluetooth name that your HryFine smartwatch actually has. If you're unable to find the name of your second Bluetooth after some time, you can just turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on again, and try to search for Bluetooth devices. And as you can see, as one of the devices, you can literally see that there is also another Watch 9 audio. So you want to make sure you connect to the both Bluetooths, which is actually the second one over here. This is actually the name of my HryFine smartwatch, and this is actually the second name. So make sure you connect to the name of your HryFine smartwatch, and you're going to see another name of the same HryFine smartwatch, HryFine audio. Make sure you also connect to that same Bluetooth device. So it is actually the same Bluetooth device. Now once you've done that, you can now go over to your HryFine smartwatch and you will no longer find the problem of cannot operate without Bluetooth anymore. So as you can see, mine actually works pretty well. I can actually open up any application from over here and it actually works without any problem. Now this is just one of the ways to fix the cannot operate without phone issue. Now for some HryFine smartwatch, on the Bluetooth settings of the smartwatch, you're actually going to find the dual mode, but this is not something that is available on all HryFine smartwatch. So once you come over to the Bluetooth, you're going to find the dual mode from over here. Make sure you enable dual mode and you should be able to find the two Bluetooths that you're actually supposed to connect. So for some HryFine smartwatch, you're going to find the dual mode, but for some you may not find the dual mode. Just make sure you connect to the two Bluetooths that your HryFine smartwatch has. In my case, it is actually the Watch 9 and the Watch 9 audio. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.